So last year, when I used to come down this road right here, it's not terribly far from my house to the school over there, when I was dropping kids off, I remembered seeing some signs that are, you know, on-site film location kind of signs to direct people that are going to work there, posted at this intersection. You know, and I never went to go really investigate it or nothing. I just thought it was kind of cool. Somewhere back in this general direction, you know, there was some filming going on. Not unusual for Albuquerque. Unusual for being so close to our house, but. And then we started watching this show called Pluribus on Apple TV, and we noticed that we could see our volcanoes, which are straight up ahead. There's 3 of them, and that, you know, it just looked like it had to be, you know, from those signs, from you know, we just started watching the series, but from last year they were filming from February through September of 24, and it was clear, man, that those mountains, you know, those volcano peaks right there were right in the background, and we're like, what the heck, man? And we had noticed, you know, from a distance from the road over there, that let me put this thing in, that we'd seen these houses. I don't know if you can see them straight up ahead yet, but we'd seen that, and we thought it was a little odd, kind of off to themselves from the neighborhoods over here, you know, but didn't think much of it. And then we put 2 and 2 together once we started watching the series, and it was like, that's got to be a film location. So I'm gonna go check it out a little bit closer, see what we can see. Put the drone up, maybe get closer. I don't know how close I can get. I mean, it's clearly off by itself. There's no power lines going to it, but all that kind of stuff is buried around here because we get such high winds here in Albuquerque. They don't even put cell towers up very high, so cell reception's pretty bad. So yeah, that's a film location right there for Pluribus. And I know a lot of people may not have that Apple TV. We do because we have a teenager, but it's a great series. It's only 1 season, but it's a great show, man. Get a chance to see it, I would definitely check it out. Apparently this is the, we go down that road, but it's the parking lot for all the people that are going to work there. They're not working there yet, but they were filming there in February of 24, so they got renewed for another season. So they'll be back, and if I see the signs again, I'll make another video to try and drive by here, because they can't stop you from driving right here, whether they're filming or not. I don't know what they would do. We'll find out. But that's the film location right there for the series, for the neighborhood that she lives in. They go all around Albuquerque too. And I do like finding those kind of film location stuff. I've done a few on Breaking Bad film locations. Still have more of those to come, but still pretty cool, man, to have a shooting location so close to the house. There's one a couple miles away for Breaking Bad, just a quick scene, but I'll put the drone up right here and get a little aerial view of it anyway. So I'll be back. Da, 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 da. Let's wait for it to find some satellites. Get some glasses so we can see. This is in a restricted sort of air, not restricted airspace, but where you have to get permission anyway. I did that before I came over here. We have good satellites.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
I can only fly a max of 100 feet. All right. There you are. Let's get up closer to that 100 feet. 90 should do it. Yeah, it gives us a little bit better overview. Get up a little closer. Where are you at? Are you over there? Okay. Little drones are hard to see, man. But that's it. And I don't know if I'm getting it in there. You'll see the video from the drone anyway. But you know, there's really nothing around here. It's just far enough out, you know. There's a neighborhood right over there. There's a school over there. And open desert way out this way. And there I am, right in, I think that's me in the middle. And we're back. So that's it. That's the film location for the TV show Pluribus on Apple TV. Pretty amazing.
Home.
Come on home, baby. You can see it up there. It's a little drone. It's one of the smallest ones. One of them, I mean, that DJI makes. Called the Mini 4 Pro. When it took off, it looked like it drifted a little bit. So we'll see if it lands on the pad. I think it might miss it. Well, we'll see. It's looking good on the screen. Come on home, baby, and land on that pad and make me proud. It's gonna miss it. No, it didn't. Nice landing. No thanks to me. All I had to do was push a button. And that's it. The just maybe a quick recap. Vince Gilligan is the producer, writer, dude for this. He also did Breaking Bad and Better Call Saul. And you know, when I see the signs again, I will come back out here and see if I can kind of see what it's like when they're filming. That'd be pretty cool, I think. All right, hope you enjoyed it. I did.